Hello and welcome. I'm Marjoriella, ritualist of the dark feminine, and today we are practicing the breath of fire. This is a very powerful breath to awaken energy, build heat, and clear your mind. This is part of the 11 breaths of the goddess. It's a series to unlock your body's intelligence, and every breath is key. Each one is going to open a piece of your power. This is a rapid, rhythmic breath used to build heat, awaken energy, and clear the mind. This practice is not for everyone. If you're pregnant, on your menstrual cycle, have high blood pressure, epilepsy, or feel lightheaded, please skip this and choose a gentler breath. Go ahead and sit tall, spine straight, shoulder blades melted down the back. We're going to do a passive inhale and a sharp exhale through the nose. You want it to come from your belly button or your lower sort of gut belly versus your chest, because if you are breathing from your chest, you'll feel like you're going to hyperventilate, and we don't need that. So go ahead and sit in a comfortable seated position. If you need to for your spine or your back or any reason, you can lay down and place your hands on your belly. Big inhales, big exhales, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Just relax into your body, feel your body. Just taking a moment to set an intention for your practice, sankalpa. Roll the eyes up into the crown. Inhale up into the third eye. And exhale. We're going to go to the rhythm of the music. So just feel into the music. And begin. Keep the rhythm steady. Snap the navel in on the exhale. Eyes soft, focus inward. Let the inhale happen naturally. Let the breath become the drumbeat of your power. Inhale. Big exhale. Keep going. Stay with it. Let the fire clear what no longer belongs. Feel the heat rise, the mind clear, and the kundalini awaken. Inhale. Hold that breath in. Look up. Squeeze Mula Bandha. The root. Pulse your root. Pulling up, and exhale. Push the exhale all the way out. Big breath in. Hold it. Look up, squeeze. Take a couple extra sips. And exhale. Take a moment to let that settle. Notice where in your body things shifted. This was Breath of Fire, one of the 11 breaths of the goddess. Each breath opens a different gate to your inner power. Knowing each breath helps you decide what's best for you in every moment. Go ahead and subscribe to enter the full series. I will link the playlist somewhere around here. And you can try all of the breaths of the goddess. And when you're ready, you can go deeper with me inside of the mystery school, where we unlock the mysteries of the goddess. We relax, we turn inward, we align with what is most true for us.